Okay, so I just cut I haven't even looked in there yet. I just cut the tape. So here's what we got. So this is the motor. It looks like it's all in good shape. Okay, so I'm just documenting in this case I have a problem. It looks like it's all in good shape. We'll get to the next thing. Okay, so far, I mean, I just took all the cardboard off. You can see the Launch Tech USA. The cross beam looks like it's in the top. Although I can't tell if it's one piece or two piece. I don't remember. Anyway, so, oh, this thing's already on there too. All right. I thought I was gonna have to put that on there. Awesome. Oh, I gotta move it though to the tall one. I'm gonna, you can see it's on there, but it's not on the, oh wait, yeah, it is in the tall position. Good. I'll be checking those bolts, make sure they're tight, because I totally don't expect anything to be right. And we just gotta figure out, here's the deal. Here's the deal. You got to figure out how to get those heavy monsters on this epoxy without cracking it all up and busting it all up. It's real easy when you see guys do it with just regular concrete floors because it's no big deal. You know, you're probably not going to chip your concrete if you do it nice and easy. But this stuff is very hard. And this right here, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see that. I dropped something. It wasn't even that heavy. And yeah, I can patch it. You know, it's not a big deal. I can patch it, but I don't want to. So I'll be now trying to figure out how we're going to take it off, and I don't want to slide it. You see these other installation videos where they talk about shimmying it across the floor. I'm not going to do that. Maybe I'll use some of this cardboard, or I've got a piece of carpet outside. I'll figure out some way to do it. I'll be back. Okay, just want to document this. I'm not sure what these are, but this is broken. I don't know what this is. Huh. See, it's got dirt on it. And just pulling out the hydraulic hoses. As you can see, the arms are in there. So everything's in this top piece. So, gonna keep taking stuff out. So these look like they're the cable protectors that run along the outside on the back. So I'm just going to request a little touch-up paint for those. I mean, since they are an outward-facing piece. So looks like these are the extenders that come with it. And this is how they came. And they are hidden in there. And they are super greasy, so there was a big old blob of grease on the thing. So I'm going to take the other one out. So this was in there. This looks like it's all the other pieces for stuff. Oops, sorry. Looks like this is all your bolt packages, your release cable, zip ties, anchor bolts. Anyway, that was in that. So these are you know, what do you call them? They actually look the highest quality thing in there so far. I don't forget what they call it. It's just, you know, what you put the car on. I forgot the name of them. It looks like to me, I was wondering why everything was so greasy. But what it looks like is they did they test run it. Because there's grease on both sides, and you can kind of see that it's from the slides. So, yeah. I was going to clean it up, but I don't think I'm going to clean it up. I'm just going to leave it. I might clean up these. No, those are holes. No, I'm not going to clean that up. I'm going to leave that in there. If anything, I'll just try to put it on there more evenly. Oh, these were in the top too. So those are two of them. I'm assuming the other two are in the other arm. But that's it. So there was the cable. This doesn't seem. This is the gosh. Well, I feel like I have Alzheimer's this morning. This is the hydraulic piston, the main piston, because this is a piston-driven one, not a chain-driven. So I'm not sure why they left the plastic on it. Maybe to protect it from all the stuff inside. But anyway, we'll end up taking that off. But I think this stays in here. That looks like that needs to be in there so that thing doesn't move around. So the cable and the piston, the arms, the feet, the extensions, the bolts and small cables, accessories, the cover, the hydraulic line covers for the outside, and one set of small and two set of longer, like a medium and a long cable lines, hydraulic cables. And then we are now moving on to tier number 2. And you can obviously tell this one is the power unit, so that one's going to go right there. And I'm going to have the 220. I have a 220 on the other side of the wall because I thought I was going to do something over there, but I'm going to have the electrician bring that over to this side of the wall and run it up to the top. I should say run it up and over and connect it to the post. Anyway,